Today's question is, what are the types and market forms of poultry? Poultry refers to domestic birds like chicken, duck or itik, goose, turkey, pigeon, squab, and quail. These birds are rich in protein, vitamin B, iron, phosphorus, and fat. Frozen poultry provides the same nutrition as fresh poultry. Today, we will discuss the different types of chicken and poultry. Number 1 is broiler or fryer. A young chicken with tender, soft meat and smooth skin. It is ideal for frying, grilling, or baking due to its tenderness and quick cooking time. Number 2, rooster. A chicken 4 to 6 months old, perfect for grilling or roasting. Its larger size and flavorful meat make it a favorite for hearty meals and celebrations. Number 3, stag. A male chicken less than 10 months old. Its meat is less tender than younger chickens, but is still flavorful and suitable for stews or soups. Number 4, hen. A mature female chicken over 10 months old, used for breeding. Hens are often used for making broths or slow-cooked dishes as their meat tends to be tougher but rich in flavor. Number 5, rooster. A mature male chicken with rough skin and dark meat. Its strong, distinct taste is often preferred in traditional or slow-cooked recipes like stews and curries. Number 6, jumbo chicken. A large chicken weighing 4 kilograms or more. Its size makes it ideal for special occasions and large family gatherings where multiple servings are needed. Number 7, Peking duck. A Chinese breed of duck known for its tender and delicious meat. It is famous for its crispy skin and is often served in gourmet dishes or specialty meals. And number 8, duck or itik. This is common in the Philippines. Its eggs are used to make balot, or the fertilized duck egg. The meat is also widely used in local dishes like adobo or tinola. Now, let us discuss the market forms of poultry. Number 1, live poultry. Should have clear eyes, small feathers, and fine feet if young. It is often sold in wet markets and is preferred by those who want the freshest poultry for their meals. Number 2, whole poultry. The entire bird with feathers removed but the head, feet, and innards still intact. This is commonly purchased for traditional dishes that use all parts of the bird, including the organs and feet. Number 3, dressed poultry. A cleaned bird with feathers and innards removed. The skin should be smooth and yellowish, and the breast should be plump with no foul odor. This is a convenient option for most recipes as it is ready to cook after basic preparation. And lastly, choice cuts. Pre-cut poultry parts like drumsticks, wings, breasts, necks, gizzards, and liver that are packed, frozen, or chilled for convenience. These are ideal for specific recipes like fried chicken, stews, or grilled dishes, as they reduce preparation time.